Today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on X.com, formerly known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. If you spend a lot of time scrolling, dark mode can make the interface easier on your eyes, help reduce glare, and on some devices it can even save a little battery. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X.com or Twitter in your browser or app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main homepage, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see the More option, usually shown with a three-dot icon. Click that first. A menu will pop up, and from there, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you into your account settings, where you can control all kinds of preferences for your profile, privacy, and display. Next, on the settings page, look for the option called Accessibility, Display, and Languages. Click on that because that's where the display theme settings are located. After that, choose Display. This is the section where you can customize how X.com looks, including text size, color, and background theme. Now scroll down until you reach the background section. Here, you'll see the available theme options for dark mode and appearance. If you want the darkest possible look, choose Lights Out. This turns the background pure black, which is great if you use an OLED or a mold screen and want the deepest contrast and lower power usage. Once you select it, the change should apply right away. Depending on your version of X.com, you may also see other theme choices like Dim or Default. Dim gives you a softer dark grey background, while Default keeps the light mode appearance. But if your goal is full dark mode, Lights Out is the one you want. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on X.com or Twitter. If you ever want to switch back, just follow the same steps and choose a different background option. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.